Okay, so today we're working on factoring out monomials. What this means is if I look at my polynomial, they will all have something in common. So if I take a look at this first one, what can I divide all three of those numbers by? What goes into 3, 6, and 18? 3. So I'm going to divide each of these by 3. And then if I look even more, they all have an x with them. So I'm going to divide them all by 3x. Okay. Then what I want to do is, because I'm dividing everything by 3x, I write 3x outside, and then whatever I get from dividing, I write that inside a set of parentheses. So what's 3x cubed divided by 3x? No one knows? It's just x squared, because the 3's cancel out, and then I subtract my exponents. Okay, what is 6x squared divided by 3x? 2x. And negative 18x divided by 3x? Negative 6. Okay, what multiplies to negative 6 and adds to... Okay. Can I do 3 and negative 2? Does that work? Does 3 plus negative 2 give me 2? No. 6 and 1? Do those give me 2? No. So nothing works, so I'm just going to leave it just like this. So I'm going to leave with the 3x outside, and then I can't factor anymore. So it's going to stay just like that. Questions on number 1? Okay, moving on to number 2. What goes into 7 and 28? No. 7. And then, can I take out any x's? Yeah, x squared. I always go with my lowest exponent. So I'm going to write 7x squared out front. What is 7x to the 4th divided by 7x squared? Just x squared, because I subtract the exponents and the 7's cancel out. What is negative 28x squared divided by 7x squared? Negative 4. Can I factor this one more? Can I figure out two numbers that multiply to negative 4 and add to 0? Yes. Negative 2 and 2. So I'll just write that on black. Questions on number 2? Okay. On number 3, it wants me to solve. So I gotta get this equal to 0. What I'm gonna do is I'm first gonna subtract 10x on both sides. I get 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 10x equals 0. What goes into 2, 8, and 10? Two. So I'm going to divide all of them by 2. Can I take out any variables? X. Okay, so I'm going to write 2x out front, and then what I get from dividing on the inside. So 2x cubed divided by 2x is x squared. 8x squared divided by 2x, 4x. Negative 10x divided by 2, negative 5, and then this still equals 0. Okay. Can I factor the green stuff more? Can I figure out two numbers that multiply to negative 5 and add up to positive 4? 5 and negative 1. So I am going to x plus 5, x minus 1, and then I still have the 2x from earlier outside. Because this one equals 0, what do I want to do? Set it equal to 0. So I take each of the pieces and I set them equal to 0. I have 2x equals 0, x plus 5 equals 0, and x minus 1 equals 0. Then how do I solve all of those? Divide the first one by 2. So I divide both sides by 2, I get x equals 0. Then what? Subtract 5 on the second one. I get x equals negative 5. And then on the last one I want to add 1, I get x equals 1. Questions here?